Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and I am working as a software tester at Bytip Technology. Welcome back to my manual testing learning series. Today, day 10, we are going to discuss most important topic called severity and priority. Many beginners getting confused between the two terms, but after watching you can understand the difference between the severity and priority. Whenever we finding a defect during the testing and we need to answer two questions. First is how the serious is defect, and second is how urgent should be it fix. The first question answer is calling for the severity, and second question answer is calling for the priority. Let's understand both detailed. First is what is severity. Severity is indicate how much impact and defect has on the application functionality and system stability. In simple word, severity is telling how the serious bug from the technical perspective, and usually the testers and QA team assign the severity levels. Next is a type of severity. The multiple severity like a critical, high, medium and low. Now we discuss first one is a critical severity. The application crash completely and data loss, payment functionality fail. Example like a login page crash whenever user enter the credentials. I just give one example. After user enter full detail and getting this type of failure message, and payment is detected in the on account. This is called critical severity. Now we are moving high severity. Major functionality is broken and the user is not work around available. Example like a forget password and feature is written back to 500 error. This is called a critical feature. Like I have just one more example for the high severity. Like I am sending a recent OTP and we have get OTP, but I am not able to enter OTP here. This is called for the high severity because of user is unable to enter the recent OTP here. Next is medium severity. Some functionality is working but not expected. Example like a search result are display but something sorted not work. Example like we are just clicking a gift tab. After it reflect for the gift and a few seconds it automatically change. This is called for the medium severity. Last one is a low severity, minor UI or cosmetic issues. Example spelling mistake of the footer section. There is like this type, there is something different color or font between the overall website. Here is blue or navy blue font and all website is getting a brown font. This is a low severity calling. Now we are moving for the practical example call for the let's talk about a real world example like application crash on the login page is called for the critical severity. Forget password written back to error is called for the high severity, and sorted options is not working is called medium severity. Typo error and copy tags something, these types of minor issues called for the low severity. These example to understand the technical impact of the defect. Next is what is a priority. Now talk about for the priority. Priority is define the how the quickly defect should be fixed. In simple word, priority telling us the urgent of the fixing a defect from the business perspective. Priority is usually dedicate a project manager, project manager or business team or business owner also. Next is a type of priority. High priority, the defect must be fixed immediately, like production login issues affect for the customer. User can't able to log in the login page. Medium priority, the defect should be fixed in the current or next sprint. Low priority, the defect can be postponed and fixed later, like a minor UI and UX and inconsistent issues. Next is a severity and priority difference. Before discuss for the about for the severity and priority, let about for the folks. Uh, High priority product login issues need to impact fixing, and low priority UI color mismatching and internal setting and menu related issues call for the low priority. Now moving for difference between the severity and priority. Let's compare with this side by side. Severity is focus on the technical impact and decided by the QA tester team, related for the functional and stability, and priority focus on the business agency, decided by the project manager, project owner, and related to release planning and business need. Remember, is a simple formula. First is the severity equals to the impact and priority equals to the urgency of the project. Next is a real project example. Website crash. Case number 1, a website crashes completely. Result is called for the high severity and high priority, because of the system is unusable and require for the immediate attention. Second case is like a home page banner typo error. A simple mistake and appear the home page banner. Result is called low severity and high priority. Nothing is technical broken but affect the company brand image. Next is case number 3, rare or page or layout issue. In minor UI issue appear on the page and very few users visit. Is called low severity, low priority. And since it has minor impact of the low business impact. Now this is the overall understanding about for the severity and priority. Thank you. Let's quick about for the conclusions. Severity majorly impact on the defect, priority impact of the urgency and fixing a defect. I hope this video you understand about for the severity and priority.